Do you remember this innocent nursery rhyme? Georgie, Porgy, pudding and pie kissed the girls and made them cry. When the boys came out to play, Georgie, Porgy ran away. Sounds like a silly children's rhyme, right? But what if I told you this rhyme might actually be hiding a scandal, power, and royal secrets from 300 years ago? Tonight, we uncover the dark history behind Georgie Porgy. If you love mysterious stories, hidden histories, and dark secrets behind everyday things, make sure to subscribe and join us, because sometimes the stories we sang as children hide the most shocking truths. At first glance, the rhyme seems harmless. A boy named Georgie who teases girls but runs away when the boys show up. Simple playground teasing. But historians believe this rhyme may not be about a random boy at all. Instead, Georgie may refer to George Villiers, the powerful Duke of Buckingham in the 17th century England, and his story was anything but innocent. George Villiers was one of the most influential men in England. He was the favorite of King James I, which meant he had immense power and influence at court. But his reputation was controversial. Many people believed Villiers used his charm and status to pursue women aggressively. Some historical accounts claim he had many romantic scandals involving noble women, and that might explain the line, kissed the girls and made them cry, because the kissing in this rhyme may not have been playful at all. It may have been unwanted attention from a powerful man. Now look at the next line carefully. When the boys came out to play, Georgie Porgy ran away. This could represent something deeper. The boys might symbolize other noblemen or political rivals who opposed the Duke, and when confronted, Villiers often relied on his royal protection to escape consequences. But eventually, his luck ran out. In 1628, George Villiers was assassinated. A soldier named John Felton stabbed him to death. And here's the strange part. Many people in England actually celebrated the assassination. They believed Villiers had abused his power for too long, which means the rhyme might have become a mocking way for the public to remember him, a powerful man reduced to a silly character in a children's rhyme. But why would such a serious story become a nursery rhyme? Because in earlier centuries, people often hid political criticism and gossip inside rhymes. It was safer. You couldn't openly criticize powerful figures, but you could sing about them. And over time, the meaning faded. The scandal disappeared, but the rhyme remained. So, the next time you hear Georgie Porgy pudding and pie, remember, This rhyme may not be about a mischievous boy at all. It might be a 300-year-old whisper of scandal, power, and revenge hidden in a children's song. And this raises an even bigger question. How many other nursery rhymes are hiding dark histories we have completely forgotten? If you want to uncover more hidden secrets behind famous rhymes and legends, subscribe to the channel, because the past still has many stories left to tell.